So now we need to find the best images from this photo shoot. Remember, I'm going to be splitting this up into two scenarios. First, we're going to look for the best single image. Then I'll show you how to edit all your photos really quickly and effectively. So let's say we have 50, 100, or 200 photos, all the same thing but slightly different. And we only want one really good one. How do we do that? Well, if we click down here on this rectangular button or double click the image, this will make it larger. You can also hit F for full screen. If you can't already see your photos down here, you can press F6 to bring them up or down, or hit this arrow right here. Starting with the leftmost image, we can use our arrow keys to find our best one. Whenever you come across an image that you like, you should press 5. This will rate it as 5 stars, and you'll be able to see it down right here. You can also click here to rate images from 1 to 5 stars. For images that you know will not work, you should press X. This will gray it out down here so it's easily visible, and that'll let you know that you did not want that one. And this will help narrow it down so we can find out which ones work. You can also press right here to undo it. Let's say you break it down to 2 photos and you can't decide which one to pick. What we can do is compare them side by side by pressing C. Clicking on one down here will change the left image, while changing the right arrows will change the right image. And you can just compare them, each one, whatever you like, and this is very useful for deciding which one you want to pick. If you still can't decide, what I can recommend is stepping away from your computer for at least 2 hours, or getting some sleep and looking at them again. You can ask other people as well for a fresh view and get their opinion. Remember, we still need to edit them, so if you truly cannot decide, I recommend editing both and then doing a final comparison. If you've been Xing out your photos, you should get them off of Lightroom. To do this, we can go to Photo, Delete Rejected Photos. Then you'll get this window. If we click Remove, this will get them off of Lightroom. It won't delete the actual files off your computer. Think of it as Lightroom hiding the photos. If you do want the files deleted, you can select Delete from Disk. Either way, you can still get them back, whether it's from the recycling bin or the folder we made. It's a good idea to clean up your spaces. It makes the whole process much easier.